How do I get a tax advisor? We will talk about how you can find a tax advisor and what to look for in one. And I'm here today to talk with you about finding the right person to help with your taxes. Tax season is just around the corner, so it's time we get started. 1. Explain your situation to the tax advisor. This is the first step. Go into the meeting with an open mind and know what you want from your tax advisor. You'll need to make sure they are qualified for the things you need help on, so it's best to be upfront about what you're expecting from them. 2. Ask someone who's used a tax advisor before. When was the last time you actually got some help? If it's been a while, that doesn't mean there isn't a good accountant near you. Just ask around and find someone in your circle who has done their taxes professionally in the past few years. The easiest way to find a good one is by word of mouth. 3. Online reviews. This is another excellent way to find people who may be able to help you. You can ask friends, family, and neighbors for suggestions on great tax professionals in your area. From there, once you have some names, look up online reviews of the firms or individuals they suggested. 1. If it's an accountant that someone has worked with personally, then there is probably more of a chance that they will know what kind of service they provide. 4. Don't assume just because someone is an accountant they can assist with your taxes. Tax advisors are different from accountants. This means that just because someone works as an accountant doesn't mean they can handle your taxes. Make sure you ask questions about their tax preparation process if you don't want to assume anything. 5. Verify that the tax advisor is a certified enrolled agent. Certified enrolled agents are licensed by the federal government and authorized to represent taxpayers before the IRS in all disputes, audits, and collections. This means that they have passed a 3-part exam testing their knowledge of tax law and their skills with people. 6. Get an estimate of what you owe and how much they can help you save. Here's a tip that a lot of people tend to skip. It is free, and it will save you money by making sure you're going with an accountant who can do everything they promise on their website. If your potential tax professional is promising something specific, ask them for proof. They should have no problem furnishing this information as long as they are reputable. 7. Make sure the tax professional is available when you need them. This ties in closely with step 2 about saving money. If they can't be reached when you need them, then there's a great chance that you won't be able to get the help that you paid for either. Usually, a good tax advisor isn't going to cancel at the last minute or go on vacation without rescheduling with you first. 8. Ask about the tax professional's fees and billing practices. Don't forget to ask about what they charge. A reputable tax professional will let you know this information upfront. You should not have to worry about getting a higher bill than the estimate either. Just make sure that everything works for both of you before signing any contracts. 9. Trust your instincts. This is a big one. If your gut tells you from the start that your potential tax professional isn't right for you, then go with it. This is not meant to be offensive in any way, but remember, this person will be helping you with something severe, even if their prices are lower than the others. Don't forget that they may not be doing all that you need them to do. Hiring an accountant is like hiring any other professional. This means that your search needs to be detailed and taken seriously. After all, you don't want any surprises when it comes time for tax day. So being thorough now will have great results later on. 10. Don't pick just anyone off of a list. It's easy enough to find someone who helps with taxes near you, but what about choosing the best one? After all, they will be helping you out with something essential. So take some consideration before picking just anyone off of a random list. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video helps answer any questions or concerns about finding a tax advisor. If not, please leave your comment below, and we will do our best to help you out. We also recommend following us on TikTok and Instagram, where we post daily videos answering all sorts of different life questions. Finally, if you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up.